Welcome to Healthy Habits. How to get long eyelashes naturally in 2 weeks. Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to talk about how to get long eyelashes naturally in just 2 weeks. These natural methods can help improve the health and appearance of your lashes. So, let's get started. Method 1. Castor Oil. Castor oil contains essential fatty acids that can nourish and promote lash growth. Simply apply a small amount of castor oil to your lashes using a clean mascara wand before going to bed every night. Leave it on overnight and rinse it off in the morning. Repeat this every day for 2 weeks to see the desired results. Method 2. Vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is an excellent moisturizer and can help strengthen your lashes. Apply a few drops of vitamin E oil to your lashes daily before bed. Massage it gently and leave it on overnight. Wash it off with lukewarm water in the morning. Method 3. Green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants that can help promote healthy lashes. Brew some green tea and let it cool down. Dip a cotton ball into the tea and gently apply it to your lashes. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes and then rinse it off with lukewarm water. Do this every day for 2 weeks to see the results. Method 4. Proper diet. Eating a balanced diet rich in vitamins, minerals, and protein can also help improve the health of your lashes. Include fish, nuts, seeds, and fruits and vegetables in your diet to promote lash growth. Method 5. Avoid harsh chemicals. Be gentle when removing makeup from your eyes, and avoid using harsh chemical products that can damage your lashes. Use a gentle makeup remover and avoid rubbing your eyes too hard. Thanks for watching.